Hi, this is Narayan Vasudevan and you are watching Trips and Tips. Today we are discussing about Clubhouse. It's a social media application, you may be knowing that. So let us talk about the history of Clubhouse, when it is started, who started it, for what purpose it is started, when it is launched in India and why it is so viral in India within a short span of time. Can we able to make some income from this Clubhouse application? Yes, we can. Then how? Let us see in detail. Clubhouse is an invite-only social media application where user can communicate through voice chat rooms. We can accommodate groups of maximum 5,000 people. These audio-only applications host live chats and live discussions which will give you an opportunity to participate through speaking and learning. This Clubhouse is a new type of social media applications based on voice, which is launched in US in iOS version that's exclusively for Apple phones during 2020 March, and the main promoters are Paul Davison and Rohan Seth. It's launched on 2020 March, and after 2 months, 2020 May, they had only 1500 users. But it was 6 lakhs users at the end of the year 2020. Means by 2020 December, they had 6 lakhs users. On 2021 February, they had 10 million users on a week. The Android version of these Clubhouse applications launched during 2021 May, hardly a month back, and it is very popular in India. So let us go and see how we can able to download the applications, how we can log in or sign up into applications, or how we can use the application. As for any other application, install the Clubhouse also from the Google Play Store. Just search for Clubhouse in Google Play Store and install it. So once it downloaded, just open it. Now we need to create our username. Before that, we have to register our mobile number. So give the mobile number and verify it with OTP. Press next. Then we need one invitation from others to sign up into this. Fortunately, I have one invitation from one of my friend called Vijesh Velaythan. So I accepted that and I am submitting my full name, then a username. After giving the username, we have to give the profile photo. So I am giving the profile photo and cropping it. So I have created my account with full name, username and profile photo. Now it's the time to give our interest. So it will help us to find out more people with the same interest. So after giving the interest, press on find people. So now give the permission to Clubhouse to access our contacts. Now the Clubhouse will show us the people who are in Clubhouse and are in our contact list. After that, Clubhouse will recommend us the people who are in with the same interest. So select the people whom you want. After following the required persons from both these recommendation list, proceed. Then we will enter into a Clubhouse hall. We can call it as a Clubhouse homepage also. Here we can see so many rooms where the discussions or chatting is going on. We can see the title on top and the key persons inside the room also be listed just below to that. So if someone is inside the room with whom we have some contacts, that also will be showing. So select your room to which you want to enter, click on that. Right now we entered into a group where the discussion is going on. We can see the participants, we can see the moderators on the top. On the bottom right side you can see one plus sign, click on that. So it will enable us to bring our friends or followers to the same room. So I don't have any follower, I am just leaving that. Then right side we can hear another hand signal. That hand signal is when we are pressing that hand signal now, it is showing our interest to speak. So right now hand raising was turned off by the moderators of this room, as it may be due to heavy rush. They are switched off that facility right now. So just I am leaving, just starting my own room. So there are 3 types of rooms: open, social and closed. So first you have to give the topic, add a topic. I am just adding a topic: YouTube creators for beginners. YouTube creators beginners. So I am creating a room with the title. So three types of room: open, social and closed. Open is for open for all. Social, only the followers will come into that. Closed means it's a private group. So let's go. Yes, I have all created my room, but no one else is there inside the room. Right, only I am. So I have to share the link through other social medias to invite people to this. I am a creator of this room. I have some more options on the bottom side. So to bring some people to this room, same the plus sign. The next is to manage the hand signal. So no one raised the hand signal. So it's just like admin page. Now the raised hand signal is open to all. We can edit that. We can switch off that. We can limit it to followed by the speakers. Open to everyone. Three modes we can control. So again I am going to the Clubhouse hall. Can we able to make some income from this Clubhouse application? Clubhouse social media application? Yes, we can. Then how? We can monetize this Clubhouse applications in two ways. One is direct way and second one is indirect way. We will talk about the direct way first. Suppose I am a user and I am following someone. That we can call it as a creator. If the details or the knowledge sharing by the creator is very good for me, in the sense I can pay something to him. So I am going to pay something to him. That means payments. Yes, Clubhouse is doing research on a segment called payment where user can pay to the creator. So the trial version is running in some countries and some parts. Let us hope for the best and it will implement soon in everywhere. The second one is indirect method or indirect income generation. Yes, we can generate indirect income too. How? I'll tell you. As I said earlier, it's a business application. Suppose you are a professional or you are a marketing guy or you are a service provider. You can create a group and invite the people or members of Clubhouse, those who are interested on that particular subject, to your room. And you can explain what service you are offering or what product you are offering or what knowledge you have to share. So you can create rooms up to 5,000 people, those who are interested in the same subject. So from that group, after the discussion, you will get the leads and thereby you will get the business. In that way, you can earn lot of money from this Clubhouse app. That is called as indirect income generation from the Clubhouse. So we discussed a lot about the Clubhouse application, the new social media applications which is became very viral in India too. It's a voice applications, voice based applications. So we discussed about the history of this Clubhouse applications and the growth of this Clubhouse application and why it became so viral in India within a short span of time. So same way we discussed about how we can sign up or log in into this Clubhouse application without any invitations, and those who don't have any invitations, I am sharing the invitation in my description, the link in my description, so you can go through that also. So same way we discussed very crucial points like how can I enter into a room, how can I create a room, how many people can enter into a room at a time, how can I able to speak in a meeting, and how can I earn money from these Clubhouse applications. Income, direct income or indirect income, we discussed both these ways, and hope you understood this video, and I hope it is very useful video for you. If so, please like the video and put your comment. Same time, share the video to reach others. So we'll come back soon with another video. So till then, take care. Bye bye.